Hello guys, welcome back to Seek the Programming Guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix Grindr app banned problem. So if you got banned on Grindr, this video is for you. So it might be as a result of harassment or using hash words or violating the rules guiding Grindr app, and or maybe you don't even know why you got banned, but you just want to fix the problem. So all you need to do is you need to first of all verify your account, as you can see the option right there. Then you can appeal the ban. But if you have done that and it's not working, I got another solution for you. So first thing you have to do is you have to close the app up, go to your phone settings, click on apps, and once you click on apps, you search for Groundly. Once you search for that, you have to go all the way to storage, click on storage and clear the cache and the data. So once you clear the cache and data, that's one step. Then another one, you have to go to your browser, any browser of your choice, and you search for help.groundday.com, and this is going to show this like the help center. So once you're here, you scroll down to where you see get in touch right here. You click on it, click on get in touch, and you're going to see this, and they're going to try to verify if you're a robot or a human. So they are actually verifying now, so we have to wait. Click on verify, and it's going to verify, and you have to wait, and it's going to show up like this. You can see this box where it says how can we help. You click on the drop down and you're going to click on I need help managing my account, and they're going to give a drop down. You input email address, and if you need to appeal for a band or expert symbol, you need to click on all this and put the subject not less than 5 words, how they could help you, and what is your profile ID, your location, and tell them what happened, and you submit, and they're going to take a while to send you email, and after that your accounts will be pleaded on, appealed, and it's good to go. If you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.